Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable push notifications on AliExpress account. So first we're going to go to our AliExpress app, then click on accounts on the lower right section. Then again we're going to click on settings on the top right corner. Then we're going to click on notification settings, as you can see, just below general settings. Then again click on push notifications. So as you can see, all of them are turned off or disabled. So you're going to turn them on. As you can see, the notifications are disabled, so you're going to click on it to enable it. So it's going to go to your device settings and go to notifications. So as you can see, all of them are turned on. So push notifications are live now. You guys will receive notifications. So this is how you do it. It's an easy tutorial. We also have different videos. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.